Sustainability doesn't signify avoiding plastics. It means lasting longer to be sustained. Broken objects are boring objects. That's life. We don't desire them anymore. They're not interesting any longer. According to you, where are they ending up? In the bin, probably. How to fix them when they're broken? Sometimes it's just a lie because they're made to be unrepairable. Because the tiny little screw that you can only unscrew the star screwdriver that costs half the price of the object itself is in fact welded. This was the first contrast I reflected upon while starting my project. What about furniture? Back then, wooden pieces of furniture were thought to be assembled, disassembled, and repaired, since the quality of materials and joints was excellent. Is it still how the industry looks like today? Not really. Assembling techniques are no details. This is what I angled my project upon. The research phase, adopting the shape of a joint catalog, became the core of the project. How can we assemble diverse materials, for instance, wood, leather, and fabric, avoiding any types of glue or permanent assembling technique? Sustainable design involves imagining the multipurpose uses of an object and its evolution over time. Thanks to combination, deconstruction, and reparation, we can easily increase the length of its life cycle. In the short term, the first challenging question involves addressing the ease of construction of the object without any tools, as well as the possibility of making adjustments daily to overcome weariness. In a second phase, the object is bound to evolve according to the space in which it is placed in. It could grow, take another shape, or even be combined. Finally, in the longer term, assembling systems can provide solutions to enhance the repairability of the object by encouraging separation of materials and thus fostering the deconstruction of the object.